Hi guys, this is Desmond coming to you with another market analysis for cable. So let's take a look at what's happened since yesterday. So we can actually see, looking at the 4-hour time frame, is that after this sort of 3-bar candle reversal that we did see on cable, price did start to move higher and move into this level. Came in to test 125. You can see it here, rejecting at 125, and also rejecting at that 50 exponential moving average. Now, this sort of zone on the 4-hour time frame has been a previous sort of swing level. It's holding as support in this region. You can see price pushes up, price breaks through the level, and we're now seeing price sort of return back to that level. We did see a lot of sterling strength yesterday. As we saw risk come into markets. Now, what we're currently seeing, if we drop down to the hourly time frame, potentially a sort of retracement on this pair. We've got the 50 Fibonacci retracement level just around 125.11. We also have R1 also in this region. Now, if we do start to see price push up into this level, this could be a level where we do start to see sellers step in. If I just highlight it more clearly. So this region inside here. The key sort of level I'll be watching out for. We do have the 200 simple moving average just above, and we have a 50 fib level. We have 125, and we have R1 and a bearish trend line. Now, if we also bring on the stochastic, we'll also see that, stochastic is not in the overbought territory. We could start to see, the stochastic oscillator move into that oversold, overbought region if price starts to push up. Now, if price does break above this level and we start to see a lot more sterling strength come into the market, then the next key levels to watch will be around this region here, which also ties in with R2. Now, this level is around, ranging from around 125.65 to around 125.90, just below that 126 region, and that's a level that I will expect buyers to push the market to if price breaks above this trend line, breaks above R1, and also breaks above the 200 simple moving average. Now, fundamentally, what do we have? Today we're expecting to see PM Johnson announce easing plans. Set to relax social distancing measures in the UK and open cinemas and museums and galleries from July the 4th. In addition to that, fundamentally, we also have some PMI data set to be released today. PMI data is quite key. If we see any figures above 50, that indicates that we're in expansionary territory, while figures below 50 indicate contraction. And what we're likely to see today is we've got a forecast figure for the flash manufacturing PMI set at 45.2. Previous value was 40.7. So we're looking at potentially an increase increase over there. We've also got, in terms of the dollar, we also have PMI data set to be released at 245, and we did see some volatility come into markets earlier on as we had comments from White House trade advisor Navarro stating that the US-China deal was actually off, but he did have to clarify those comments as they had been taken out of context. And Trump did actually come in and tweet that the US-China deal is still firmly intact. So that's what we've got. Fundamentally, we also have US health agencies expecting to see coronavirus through the winter period. So that's the sort of outlook that we have in terms of COVID-19. So that's going to be my sort of outlook for cable today, guys, I'm expecting potential sellers to step in at this level here. If sellers do step in, then of course lower support levels will be, first sort of support level will be around 124.46, followed by 123.81, followed by 123.41. We also have intraday pivot levels as well to look out for. Do have a great trading day. Thank you.